It's PARKInmyholiday.com, the first and the best virtual reality platform in Turkey. And right now we are near the Lower Düden Waterfall. This waterfall starts in the recycle station not far from Antalya, passes through the Düden Channel and drops off a 40 meters cliff straight into the Mediterranean. This is a very popular spot for photographs because you can catch some rainbows and it's a perfect background for your selfies. It is very close to the city center, only 8 kilometers, so you can take a bus, come by car or even walk. By the way, this waterfall is the first landmark of Antalya, as you see when you approach this marvelous spot by air. See you back. Bye bye.